Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm coming to you from AWPS Renewable Energy, but normally I come to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'll plug my company a little bit. I hope you're all getting used to my new look. Freshly shaved, no frames, because we're going to talk about clean energy. We have to start with a clean face and a fresh perspective. But today we aren't just talking about solar. We're talking about your standard of living. I lived in Sparta, New Jersey for 23 years. I didn't move back on July 20, 2019 to manage or struggle. With the manager with the struggle, I didn't come back to do that. I came back to bring the Sparta life to Nigeria through AWPS Renewable Energy. They say I live the abroad life. I brought the abroad life back to Nigeria. For years, I was a shower refugee. I would book hotel rooms for the pressure. I'll go to the gym at 6 a.m. just for the hot pressurized water. Today, I leave the gym after my workout to come home and shower. Mine is better. I don't run out of hot water, and the pressure is constant. I achieved this by doing the unthinkable. I removed my overhead GP tank. I remove my commot however you want to slice it. It's no longer on my roof and I no longer use it. I replaced it with a 20 pressure tank. I'm still on gallons, so make no vex. But for you in Nigeria who use the metric system, that's about 75 liters of loaded power. But 3 weeks ago, a Kazeem plumber nearly turned my well into a boiling pot of soup. So I came back to bring the Sparta life to Nigeria through AWPS Renewable Energy. At AWPS Renewable Energy Limited, we started installing pressure tanks for our clients back in about 2017 and 2018. The first one we did was in Port Harcourt. Why? Because my business brain hates waste. Most people use pressure pumps to get decent flow, but those pumps sabi chop power. They consume a massive amount of battery power every time you open the tap. By using a pressure tank, we eliminate one, the overhead tank. We eliminate the float switch. We eliminate the need for that power-hungry pressure pump. This allows us to size your solar system smaller. Smaller batteries, fewer panels, smaller inverter. This is the business major in me talking. Saving you money on batteries and panels while giving you better water pressure. Plus, you never have to wash a dirty GP tank full of algae and dirt. That thing drives me nuts. Can you imagine drinking that stuff? At AWPS, we are the home of the Siege Energy Hygiene store and the 10-year warranty. We do Sparta standard power because excellence is the best business model. So before I show you the boiling well crisis, do me a favor. We are at 6,274 subscribers, and my goal is 10,000. The YouTube algorithm is like a well. It needs fuel to bring the truth to the surface. Your likes and subscriptions are the fuel. If you want this standard of engineering to reach every corner of Nigeria, hit subscribe right now. Ejo, Biko, Kuyakuri, Dan Allah. Please, let's fuel the truth together. My well pipe separated. You know that pipe that connects to the pumping machine? It came loose. A plumber, a real Kazeem, came. He fixed the pipe, but he dropped the pump into the well on its side. Listen to me carefully. Listen to Dr. Sola very carefully. If your pump isn't vertically straight, they taught you that in school, Abi, it starts sucking air and sand. My pump started to overheat. It was pulling up air and hot water. When you opened the faucet, the water coming out was actually hot. When you see steam coming out of a cold well, your pump is cooking itself alive. The friction and lack of cooling turned that motor into a boiler. Our new pump that was less than 2 years old failed. We had to get a new one. But in the chaos, the sediment filter was removed. The raw well water with dirt in it hit my ultrafiltration filter. This filter is 0.01 microns. It stops bacteria and viruses. It has a waste outlet I connected to a tap for my garden hose. Usually, I wash the car with the water and it flushes the filter. But without that sediment guard, the sand was too much. The filter became a solid wall. The filter became a solid wall for 3 weeks. The Sparta life was gone. So why would Dr. Sola be talking about plumbing? Because it's the exact same lamba. It's a new word I learned, by the way. I like it. Lamba, la bamba. People are jumping into cheap lithium batteries. They spend over 1 million naira because it says lithium on the carton. But these cheap batteries are the clogged filter of the energy world. They use grade C cells or used automotive cells. They have a dumb BMS that doesn't talk to the inverter. At AWPS Renewable Energy, we don't play those games, or as in living color, homie don't play that. Our side install batteries communicate with the inverter every second. That is why we are the home of the 10-year warranty. We have the confidence to back our engineering for a decade. By the time this did not finish, or Pikin not finish secondary school, don't even enter university. A dumb battery is just a very expensive plaster for a 1,800 naira diesel wound. I had to perform surgery. I removed the internal membrane. Now I know some of you are thinking, doctor, did the sun enter for your membrane? So I enter my membrane. Well, it certainly felt like it. This situation was a total headache. But the membrane is the heart of the system. If it's clogged, the dream of the Sparta life is dead. I washed it manually in a bucket, but the sand was microscopic. So I did what I learned from schooling in New York and living in New Jersey. I used chemistry. I soaked the membrane, you see as my brain big, in a solution of vinegar and water for about 2 hours, warm water actually. I needed to dissolve the minerals and the junk that the sand had jammed into those 0.01 pores. The lesson: you can't have that abroad life with local maintenance. Whether it's your water or your power, you cannot let a bricklayer or a Kazeem bypass your protection. My pressure is back. Yay! Better than the gym. Better than the hotel. Help me hit 10,000 subscribers. Like this video and comment below. Are you on gallons or liters? I'll be in the comments answering your questions. Eshe unemela nagode. Thank you. No more audio engineering. Let's do it right at AWPS. See you in the next one.
When that bus strikes and the lights go dark, your house glows as a spark. Panels on